Do you know where is the location where the asteroid hit the Earth, causing a dinosaur's extinction? Do you know what is the asteroid known as? The asteroid that ended the era of the dinosaurs is called the Chicxulub impactor. It struck a location that is now the northwestern tip of the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico or Mexico. The center of the impact, often called Ground Zero, is located near the coastal town of Chicxulub Puerto. The crater that was formed is called the Chicxulub crater. This crater is almost perfectly bisected by the current coastline. About half is underwater in the Gulf of Mexico, and the other half is on land, buried deep beneath the limestone of the Yucatan Peninsula. If you visit the site today, you won't see any giant bowl in the ground. Over 66 million years, the crater has been buried under nearly 1,000 meters of limestone and sediments. However, there are two ways its location is still visible. Now, what are the two ways? The first one is the ring of cenotes. The most striking feature on the surface is a massive semicircle of freshwater sinkholes called cenotes. These cenotes formed because the edge of the buried crater caused the overlying limestone to fracture, allowing water to dissolve the rock. If you look at a map of Yucatan's cenotes, they form a perfect arc that traces the rim of the impact site. The second way is gravity and magnetic anomalies. Because the impact significantly altered the density and type of rock in the crust, scientists can see the crater clearly using satellite data and gravity maps. It appears as a multi-ring structure, roughly 180 to 200 kilometers wide. So the asteroid that caused the extinction of dinosaurs is called the Chicxulub impactor. The crater it formed is called the Chicxulub crater, and the location is the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico.